Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will fix a Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices common problem, which is the mouse wheel scrolling. And we will do that by just following the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. And please do finish watching this video. So let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to the Windows Search tab and there type Control Panel, or just simply type Control. And under Best Match, the Control Panel options will come out. So please do make a click on it. And once you're in the All Control Panel Items window, you will see this these options. And if your window doesn't look like this, just click on this View by Options here, and you can click on this drop down button to choose the small icons option so that your window will look like this. And once you're in here, please do find the mouse options, this one, and once found, please do make a click on it, and you will see here in the mouse properties option under buttons, when you see the pointer in the double click speed option that it's near the slow option, please do move it and make it near with the fast option, so that it will be faster. And I will leave mine with what it is, with where it is before, because my mouse is working just fine. So after doing that, after setting this pointer here, you can now click on apply and then click on OK, and then make a quick restart with your device, and then you can see if it's working. And also another option that you can see, or another tab that you can see in this window here, is the wheel options, but unfortunately I don't have that in my device. So if you have that, if that is present in your device, please go click on it and you will see the values there. So if your mouse is not working very well with that values, you can change them. You can change either 4, 5 up to 7, and please do check if your after changing it, just click on apply and then click on OK, and please do check if it's working fine, unlike before. Okay, so after doing all the process that we made, you can now click on apply again and then click on OK. And now we can now exit this window here and just make a quick restart with your device, and then see if the mouse wheel is now working very well. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.